Hello, I am Alberto Bonello's avatar. I am here to walk you through a summary of the June 18th webinar hosted by Influential Communications. Alberto could not be here right now. He is busy doing what he does best, helping nonprofits get their message out and move their mission forward. So while he is out there in the field, I have got you. The topic of this webinar: how to get started with AI, how to use it safely, and how to make it work for your organization, starting today. We focus on Microsoft Copilot during that session because most of you already have it sitting right on your computer, inside Word, inside Excel, inside Outlook, inside Teams. But everything you are about to learn applies to any AI tool: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any of them. The rules are the same, the approach is the same. So, whether you are brand new to this or you have been playing around with it for a while, this is for you. Let's get into it. Before we talk about technology, let's talk about you. Right now, a lot of people running organizations like yours are stressed out. They feel behind. They feel like if they don't figure out AI, they're going to lose. That feeling? It is just as dangerous as putting the wrong data into the wrong tool. So, here is what I need you to do first: take a breath, put your phone face down, step away from your inbox for the next few minutes because you cannot pour from an empty cup. The research is clear. When you take even 2 minutes to reset, you think better. You make better decisions. You actually get more done. So, as we go through this together, I want you to know something. You are not behind. You are not going to be replaced. Let's go. All right, let's start with the truth. Here is what AI actually does: it reads massive amounts of human language, it finds patterns, then it guesses the best response based on what you give it. That is it. It is not thinking. It sounds human because it was trained on human writing, but it does not have your experience. It does not know your community. It does not know your work. You are still the most important part of this. The tool needs you to make it work. Now, this is the part most trainings skip, and it is the most important part: your data, your clients, your community, your donors. They are depending on you to keep their information safe. Here is what you need to know: most AI tools, the free ones, the ones you can just open in a browser right now, they are not safe for private information. That means no names, no health conditions, no social security numbers, no client records, nothing that you would not say out loud in a crowded elevator. Why? Because the free versions of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini may use what you type to train their systems. If you would not put it on Google, do not put it in a free AI tool. If your organization handles health information, this section is critical. HIPAA rules still apply, even in AI. You need what is called a BAA, a Business Associate Agreement. That is a legal document where the AI company says, we will protect your data, we will follow HIPAA rules. Most free AI tools do not have one. Enterprise versions, the paid business versions, those are the ones that can be configured for HIPAA. But here is the key word: configured. Just because a tool says HIPAA compliant does not mean you are covered. You still have to set it up correctly, document your process, train your staff, and complete a risk assessment. If you are a Microsoft 365 user, you are already ahead. Copilot does not use your organization's data to train its model. But if you open the AI chat in your browser through Bing or a public web tab, that version may not follow the same rules. Always check where you are working. Now, let me be real with you. AI makes mistakes. It is called hallucination. When the AI does not have enough information, it fills in the gaps. It will make up names. It will make up dates. It will make up research. So always check the facts before anything goes to a client, before you post it, before it ends up in a grant. And here's the other thing you need to know: AI has a short memory. The longer your conversation goes, the more it forgets what you said at the beginning. Keep your sessions focused, one task at a time. After 4 or 5 exchanges, start a fresh chat. That resets its memory and keeps your results clean. Okay? Now, for the part that changes everything: how do you actually talk to this thing and get results? Here is what I want you to hear clearly: you do not need to know any coding, you do not need any technical background. You just talk to it in plain language, the same way you would give instructions to a new team member. Think of AI like a brand new intern. They went to school, they know a lot, but they do not know your organization. They do not know your community. They do not know how you write. They do not know what matters to you. So you have to tell them clear instructions, specific details, and the better you explain what you need, the better the work you get back. You can even give it samples of your old writing, old newsletters, old grant applications, old emails. Drop them in and say, "This is how I write, learn from this. Let me show you what is possible right now." In Outlook or Gmail, tell AI to scan your inbox and pull out every item that needs action. Tell it to draft a reply. Tell it to prepare you for a meeting. In Word, feed it your old grant applications. Tell it to answer every section using your previous work. In Excel, tell it to filter your client list by location. In Teams, tell it to summarize what happened while you were out. Pull the action items. At the start of your day, uh, spend 15 minutes with your AI. Review your emails. Check open tasks. Prepare for your meetings. You walk into your day ready, focused, in control. That is not a fantasy. That is what this tool does when you use it right. Give it one task at a time. Check everything it gives you before it goes anywhere. Ask it where it got its information. Use the enterprise version if you handle health data. Don't put names, health conditions, addresses, or any client information into a free tool. Don't use AI output without reading it first. Don't let AI be your final voice. Be your final voice. You are in charge. One more important thing: if your organization uses AI, you need a policy, not to slow people down, to protect them. 3 things your policy needs to cover. 1, what tools your staff is allowed to use. 2, what data they can and cannot put into those tools. 3, how to report a mistake if one happens. If you do not have a policy yet, now is the time. Your IT team or compliance officer can help, and if you do not have one, reach out to us. We will point you in the right direction. Here is what I want you to walk away with today: AI is not going to replace you. It is going to handle the busy work, the drafts, the summaries, the sorting, so that you can do what only you can do: show up for your community, connect with your people, lead your mission. The tool is here, the training is here. All you have to do is start one task, one prompt, one conversation at a time. You got this. Now go try it and start claiming your time back for the things that really matter. When you are ready for your next step, everything from the June 18th webinar, the slides, the resources, a prompt library with over 100 prompts built specifically for nonprofits, health organizations, and community focused teams like yours. Guides on how to talk to AI, how to train it to sound like you. It's all there, free, ready for you.